Well, I'm not gonna do my intro for this. I'm just gonna say, hey, how are y'all? Right now, I'm just gonna try to make a normal video. Alright, let's try. And if we can't, well, I don't know. And if it still works tomorrow, I'll pull in the green screen. I haven't been using that really, but let's just go ahead and try to get into it. It's probably gonna give me a blue screen in a second, but while we're on here, we can try to watch a few things. Maybe let's just watch a dhar movement video. What was it?
Buddy, relax.
Ta-da!
Welcome back to another video, y'all. Today, I'm here with
Brandon.
and we're gonna be reacting to some more Dharma videos. This is my brother, as y'all know. Not actually, just on the set. I treat him like one. He's really cool. We're doing student She's So Fun exam. Look at the face.
Oh no.
Make the face, make the face.
Okay. Gossa.
Now we gotta.
What? Let's try to watch this.
Why did I miss these questions?
To find the derivative of a fraction.
Miss Palumbo, how long are we gonna wait around till we state the obvious? He's too dumb to answer the equation.
I'm not dumb.
Julia, give Austin a chance.
The solution to the equation is 8 1/4.
Julian, it is not your problem to solve.
What, are we gonna wait around all day?
Maybe.
Just a moment. We'll be right back.
I'm sorry, man.
What is the point of being a genius when nobody even likes you? Loser.
That did not hurt. No way. No way that hurt. There's no way.
Hey, hon. How's school?
It's good.
Hey, you forgot your invites. Make sure you take them to school tomorrow. We don't want a repeat of last year just because you forgot to invite people.
Whoops, it slipped my mind again. Sorry. Thanks, Mom.
What is this?
Oh God.
I found this hidden in your room.
Trying my best.
Your best? Are you kidding me? This is your best? How could my son be this stupid?
Dang.
Not.
Well,
Now that's rude. Brutal.
apparently you are. Bob's son has early acceptance in Harvard. And you?
I'm sorry, okay?
Oh.
You're an embarrassment to this family. You hear me? An embarrassment!
Boy, you were embarrassing anybody else who's in there? Boy, you grabbed him like you're gonna kill him. Have to do him like that. That's brutal. Bro, it's all of them. It's fun. At least you're smart.
I wish I had friends. I wish I was smart.
Nah, I wish I was Diddy, bruh. Alright, shut up. Get out. Not funny.
What the heck?
Hey, yo.
What? What is going on? Julie!
Hey, hon, you need to head out, or else you'll be late.
Yeah, okay.
I want to see how he acts.
What the heck?
Austin. What is going on?
Austin, you're late. Let's go, man.
Yes. I'll gather my things promptly.
Okay. Hello?
Austin. Maybe this one. No. Maybe this one. Maybe.
Bro! What's up, man?
Hi.
Hi, Austin.
We need to talk.
I'll be doing the conversing around here with my fist.
What? What is this?
I wouldn't want to be that nerd right now.
Okay, but what is going on? I don't know. I mean, aren't you supposed to be the genius?
I don't know.
I don't know. Wow, this is the first time I've seen you say "I don't know" to a question. Now you don't know. Now
Okay, just shut up. Okay, I'm sorry. All I'm saying is this can't be possible. Okay, it defies all of logical sense. Okay, did you do anything last night?
Do anything? I don't know.
Anything out of the ordinary? Anything?
I mean,
Well, what?
nah. I mean,
It's stupid.
No, it can't be that stupid.
I'm trying to tell you it's stupid, dude.
No, it can't be that stupid.
I'm trying to tell you that it's stupid.
No, but it really can't be that stupid. No.
Just tell me. It's stupid.
Just tell me.
Booking.com has all kinds of stays because some love a rustic cabin. Others feel differently.
What the frick?
I made a wish at midnight.
Okay, I mean,
yeah, I know.
So did I,
yeah,
but that doesn't mean that...
No.
Oh, no.
No.
Dude, this is impossible.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
No, this is very crazy. Very crazy.
No, absolutely not. I'm not gonna be.
Stop! You're wasting time. Okay, look, we can figure this out. All we have to do is play things cool.
All right.
Now, remember,
we do.
to everyone else,
Right.
you are a nerd. Okay, and I'm
the jock.
The popular jock.
You're me. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
So, tuck your shirt in.
Tucking my shirt.
Yes, tuck your shirt in.
I don't want to.
You don't have to tuck in your shirt.
Let me button up my shirt first, okay? And what I'm gonna need you to do is untuck your shirt, okay?
I'm
You
gonna
look
untuck it.
goofy, okay?
I don't
and
look
unbutton it
goofy.
at least
I look
once,
like I have
okay?
some type of class.
This is a really nice
Seriously,
outfit. You're making me look
put
bad,
your
okay?
book bag thing
All right,
on.
book bag. Who says book bag? Are you
I
serious?
say book bag.
Okay,
Book
listen.
bag.
Hey. Okay, maybe we can make another wish tonight and swap
His
back.
ear is so small, bro.
Yeah, I mean, if that's all that we have, but the probability of that actually working is very low. So
Dude,
brainstorm just a little bit more.
Dude, just take my number, okay? We'll text about this later.
Dude, we already know each other's number.
All right, and each other's Face ID.
Yes. Silly, yeah, sorry.
Dude. What? Silly us. Oh gosh, this is gonna be worse than I thought. Please be cool.
I'm cool.
No, you're not, okay? So just don't be yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you later. Loser. Sorry, that was twice. I apologize. Sorry.
Don't touch me.
I won't touch you.
Just walk away.
I'm gonna walk away.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
What the heck?
Posture.
Yep.
Don't walk like that.
This work?
No.
I'll figure it out.
This is gonna be worse than I thought.
Yeah.
Can you read what's on the board for me?
My life were better ended by their hate than death prorogued wanting of thy love.
Thanks. Is he dyslexic?
If you're standing on a frictionless ice rink and you throw a heavy backpack forward, what happens to you and why? Anyone? Come on, class. We went over this yesterday.
Since there's no friction when you throw the backpack forward, it causes you to move backwards. That's because of Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. By pushing the backpack forward, it causes force to be exerted, and it pushes back on you with that same force, causing you to move in the opposite direction.
Correct.
Know it all? Of course, he got it.
Yeah, he thinks he's so much better than us.
You idiot! I got another call from the school saying that you are failing.
I'm sorry, Father.
I can't believe I have such a moron for son. How can you be this stupid? How can you be this stupid?
I'm sure I could bring up my grades somehow.
You gotta be a comedian. And perhaps that's the only thing you're gonna be good for, unfortunately.
Hey, hon.
Hey.
Hey, did you give out those birthday invites? Don't tell me you forgot again. Honey, how do you expect to have people at your birthday party if you keep forgetting to invite them?
Oh, sorry. You're right. I won't forget again.
Okay.
Interesting.
if Austin is right? What's the point of being smart if you have no friends? I have no one. I'm all alone.
Kinda true.
$10 for a large, $10 for any 3 toppings, $10 for your choice of hut crust, only at Pizza Hut.
So, tonight's the night. We make another wish to go back into our bodies.
Yeah, finally.
Yeah.
Honestly, though, I'll kind of miss having friends.
Yeah, it was, kind of nice being smart for once.
Dang.
About that. I don't think you're as dumb as you think. Or as people say.
Bro, for real?
Sorry.
What do you mean?
You might be dyslexic. I didn't really understand why things were so hard to read at first until I realized that, but you mix up your letters and numbers.
I just thought that's how everyone saw it.
No, you silly goose. You're not stupid. You just learn differently.
Huh. I never knew. So, not dumb.
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of tricks that can help, too. I mean, it can definitely improve your grades.
Nice. Ooh. You know, you should try being nicer to people.
Why? Everyone hates me anyway.
Maybe that's because they're intimidated by you.
By me? Why would anybody be intimidated by me?
Dude, you're like a literal genius. People feel dumb around you, and you sure don't try to help it. Trust me, not from personal experience.
All right. Thanks for the advice.
You too.
Night. Yeah. I wish I was myself again.
I wish I was myself again.
All of them.
Guess we'll see.
Wait. I feel like I know what's happening at the same time.
No, not again!
I knew it!
It didn't work.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. But we did everything right. Okay, this honestly just doesn't make any sense.
I hope not.
Be up and ready, Austin. You need all the school you can get.
Is that my dad?
Yeah. Okay, meet me at school. Same spot, okay?
All right. This is bad. This is really bad, man. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah. We're doomed. We're doomed.
Yep, this is very catastrophic, but maybe,
Maybe what, man?
maybe we didn't mean it. And I'm so sorry. Your father is really hard on you. He's like really, really scary. He's like a grade A douche, but
It's all right, man. I'm used to it.
Dang.
Hey, I read your journal.
oh,
I'm sorry I've been such a jerk to you.
yeah, I'm sorry too. Hey, we'll figure it out. I mean, there's a solution to every problem, right?
Hey.
You're funny, man.
Wisely and slow, they stumble that run fast.
Austin, would you be able to tell me the tone of the passage on the board?
Yes, ma'am. The tone is cautionary and wise.
Feels like the speaker is trying to give gentle, thoughtful advice.
Great job, Austin. Glad to see you participate.
Thank you.
Actually got smart. I'm gonna say whatever I just say.
Dude, I'm lost.
Dude, I'm so confused. Hey, maybe I can help out the problem? Why? So you can show how much better you are than me? No, so I can help. I mean, you can present the solution when she calls. Okay, so since the ball is being dropped and not thrown, it has an initial velocity of...
Hey man, so I found some techniques that will help you with your reading. I mean, there's this program that will read the words aloud to you so you can take them in better. I can even help you study if you'd like.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, coolio.
Hey, I helped some people in your physics class, and they really appreciate it, so they think you're pretty cool now.
Really? Those guys usually hate me.
Well, have you ever tried helping them? Instead of just showing off or calling them dumb?
No. All right, I see your point.
See you tomorrow.
I wish I was in my body again.
I wish I was back in my body.
That's the thing.
Yes. It worked. It worked. It worked.
All right, brother.
Let's go. You're gonna make me late, you idiot.
I'm not an idiot.
What did you say?
You always say I'm an idiot, but I'm not.
Austin, have you seen your grades? Please. How many times do we have to...
I'm dyslexic!
What?
Okay, that's why I struggle with learning.
Dyslexic? But how?
Maybe you would have actually noticed if you cared about me for once in your life.
Austin,
But no! Instead, you make me feel like an idiot. But I'm not. I just learn differently. And now that I know that, I'm gonna prove you wrong.
Yeah!
I'm sorry. I didn't know. But that's no excuse.
Bro's tough.
You're right.
Really
I should have cared more, and I didn't. I'm sorry, son. I'll do better. I'll do better myself.
Hey, thanks for helping me yesterday. Literally saved my life.
Yeah, could you help us too?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Really? Thanks, dude. You're the best. Can I get your phone number?
Yeah, you want my number?
Yeah,
totally.
Text you.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, Julian, aren't you forgetting something?
Forgetting what? Oh, hey, it's good to see you too, man.
Invitations? This cool cat is throwing a sick birthday party, and I think you guys should come. All right, the football team and the cheerleading team is gonna be there, so it should be a hoot.
This is dope.
Okay. We'll be there.
Yeah, dude.
All right. Sweet.
This is nice.
Well, I'll see you guys there. Thanks, man. I've never been to a party before. Yeah, no, it's gonna be great. But you have to do that.
I know, man. What are friends for?
Hope that fixes that.
Open. And...
Boom!
Yeah, man.
And they boys.
We gonna keep working.
Yeah.
Slow steps, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, well. Peace, bye-bye, and subscribe. Your boy out.